Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to use Daisy UI in your next.js project. As you can see, currently I'm on google.com. Simply type here Daisy UI. It will be very first website. So simply click on the link. You can see the domain is also daisyui.com. So this is the home page. Here simply click on how to use. Now once you are on this page, simply scroll a bit. And here you will find next.js. Click on it. So here they have given the steps to install it in a next.js project. So the first step is to create an next.js project. So let's copy up to here and go to VS Code. Now in the VS Code, go to View, click on Terminal. Now here paste what we just copied and put a dot because I want to create my next.js project in this directory. Hit the Enter key. Now it will give you three options to install using recommended defaults or reuse previous settings or customize settings. I'll go with the previous settings. So you can see it is only installing Next, React, React DOM and ESLint. I'm not installing any sort of Tailwind CSS yet or TypeScript. Now once it's done, simply clear the terminal, type clear and hit the Enter key. Let's see what's the next step here. So the next step is to install Tailwind CSS and Daisy UI. Simply copy this and paste it here. Hit the Enter key. So the installation is done. Let's clear the terminal. Now let's see what's the next step here. So we need to create this file postcss.config.mjs. Simply right click here, click on new file and create that file. Now copy this piece of code and paste it here. Save the file. Next, we need to copy this and put this in globals.css. You need to go to src folder and here you will find globals.css. Open this file, simply delete whatever you have here and paste it what we just copied and save it. Now if you're using TurboPack, you can go with this, whatever explained here. I'm not using TurboPack yet, so I can click on use. Now here you'll find a couple of examples. I'll pick this example, okay? So let's copy this. The output will be this sort of a button. Now here you need to go to page.js, delete the imports. Also delete whatever we have here inside the div element. Here simply use a style attribute and text line center property just to center line the content. I also use margin top here and make it 25 pixel just to have some spacing from the top. Now just paste it what we just copied, save it. Now run it using npm run dev. So you can see the project is running at port 3000, but before that you have to make it class name because we are using basically JSX here and class is not supported. You have to use class name here. Save it. Now click on this link, press the control key and click on it. And that's the output. So you can see that's our button. You might not see it properly due to white background. So let's make it BTN primary here to give it a bluish color. Save it. And that's the output. So I hope you understood how to use Daisy UI in an next.js project. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.